What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another. That shit was ass! Damn!
Scuba diving with a nice pretty bitch and I act like super size. They gotta work on these enterprises. I ain't under these niggas, casino be supervised. And one wood got two inside it. When I'm trying to get good, say your bitch right through Verizon. Chasing that bag, gotta stay behind it. Me and my youngest, we stay back.
Alright, man, we come back at y'all with another video, with a reaction video. But we got a notification from Flight saying he dropped a song called Get Ratchet. He don't know who Flight is.
I don't know who that nigga is.
But I'm telling him that he about to be dead, G.
Where you from?
Where you from? Damn, where the fuck is he?
I don't know.
I think he from Florida.
I don't know where.
He from Florida.
That nigga clouded up though.
You
I don't know where he from though.
He from Florida, I think.
You say you about to die?
What?
What?
What did you say?
No, I said you about to die. Like you about to die laugh, yeah.
Oh, I thought you said me about to die.
Hell no.
Wishing death on that man and shit, bro.
But yeah, we just gonna go ahead and react to this. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Go subscribe to their channels. Follow their Instagram.
Devil Beat, D-E-V-O Beat with a Z.
Follow me on Instagram at Moolah_DJ, man. That's MULAA_DEJY.
I'm telling Devo that he gonna die loud because he don't know Flight.
He got a mixtape coming out.
These niggas ain't know I be spazzing. That bitch you claim that she don't love you, she be acting. I'm out here, but I'm man. Stop.
No, serious.
Yeah, we dead serious. That's what I'm
This
saying.
nigga got clout though.
He
bro,
really
for
think he
real.
gonna rap though. That's
No,
what
serious.
This
bro.
nigga
Yes,
got
we
clout,
dead
though,
serious.
but he be trying to rap and shit.
Fuck the little nigga show ratchets. Yeah, ratchet. Yeah, ratchet. Pull up in this bed, what's happening? Yeah, ratchet. Yeah, ratchet.
This nigga's flying is goofy as hell, bro.
I'm up now, I'm gaining the status. My blood's real big, so I'm Jurassic. Little bitch, bad, but she ratchet.
Oh my god,
Bro, what? Bro,
That's what I was
what,
trying to tell him. Dude, that you
Bro,
know.
what, bro? What that nigga say?
That nigga can't rap, bro. I don't know why he keep trying.
I ain't
We ain't
gonna lie.
trying to throw shots at Flight, but that rap
Yeah,
career,
Flight cool as hell. He a cool ass nigga. though,
that
real
rap
shit.
career is dead, my brother.
That rapping shit is over with.
That rapping shit is over with for you, brother.
Oh my god.
It's working a little bit though, cause you got the clout and shit.
Yeah,
but-
of course it's gonna work
you
for
know
him.
what
He
I'm
got the
saying?
clout.
But your ass trash, bro.
What you think, Shorty?
That nigga.
That nigga ass.
Alright, go on, let's just finish this shit, dude.
With the cap in, your bitch, she gon' touch him like that captain. Niggas is preaching, they don't want no static. Fuck with me, leave your friends hashtagging. She said my dick tastes like fruit passion. These niggas ain't know I be spazzing. That bitch you claiming she don't love you, she be acting. I'm out here ballin' like John Madden. Stop talking, little nigga, show ratchets. Yeah, ratchet. Yeah,
The video nice though.
Yeah, we always have the video raw. They raw as hell.
Yeah, ratchet. Pull up on my niggas, what's crackin'? Hella kiss, hella drip, no gift. Like Pringles, my nigga. I'm just tryna stack the chips.
Hell no, bro.
That nigga
I just
talking
knew
about,
these niggas.
that nigga talking about Pringles, my nigga.
He told like Pringles, my nigga. I'm just trying to stack the chips. Oh my god.
Hey, that shit funny.
Alright, go on, bro.
I'm hot as hell, bro.
Yeah, I'm hot as hell.
That shit was just funny, but that part was just so ass,
That
bro.
nigga talking about Pringles.
It's like shit be so ass to the point where it just be
It's
funny,
funny,
dude.
bro.
He
Is
talking
it-
about like Pringles, my nigga. I'm just trying to stack the chips.
If you thinking I'ma hold my nigga, let it fuck the ramp. She's fucking all that shit. I'ma have to grab a stick. And she got a cute face, but her body like a stick. Roll a sticky ink in a stick. Don't rock them hips. Show some cash in the pics. Niggas hella rich. My guys looking like I got jumped by some Chris. Not tryna be like Tato, but I'm really killing shit. You a lame chick, quit wave right a bitch. Pussy so fired, I'ma.
What he say?
I'm not trying to be like Tato, but I'm really killing shit.
Okay, yeah, I thought I heard something.
This nigga. This nigga.
That line was just cold as hell, but this shit's still weak though.
Nut up in this bitch. Pussy so fire, I'ma pay her for the rent. Pussy so fire, it'll make you go a fit. Niggas hella big, never 56. These niggas ain't know I be spazzing. That bitch you love you should be
What the fuck?
I'm out here ballin' like John Madden. Stop talking, little nigga, show ratchets. Yeah, ratchet. Yeah, ratchet. Pull up in this bed, what's happening? Yeah, ratchet. get ratchet. Pull up,
Shorty
my
is
niggas
throwing
was
them
scratching.
shit, bro.
Throwing that mother.
She throwing them motherfuckers. The beat not that bad.
That
bro.
nigga really think this shit like fire, bro.
Yeah, that's the crazy part.
He only had one decent
He really
part.
think
in
that
that
shit
song.
sweet, bro.
That's the crazy part about it. He think he raw as hell. You feel me?
That best part, the best part in that song
It was about the Tato.
Yeah,
The Tato part. That was only like.
That was the best part.
Yeah, we fuck with Flight, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to their channels.
Devo Beats, DEVO Beats with a Z. Hey, follow me on IG. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Hey, hey, I am DEVO Beats with a Z.
Hey, go subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. DEJY. That's DJ, man. That's my YouTube channel. You already saying. Follow me on Instagram.
We gonna start popping these public interviews around. Probably like
sometime this week.
yeah, sometime this week. Hopefully, we could probably do one tomorrow, low key.
Be looking for that though. It's coming.
Scuba diving with a nice pretty bitch and I ass like a super size. They gotta work on these enterprises. I ain't under these niggas cause they no be supervised. And one wood got two inside it. When I'm trying to get good, say your bitch right through Verizon. Chasing that bag, gotta stay behind it. Me and my youngest, we stay back.